Right, you should have a paper that says guided essay. It's going to look like this on the back, so please flip it over to the back. We need to kind of organize our thoughts before we actually get started. So the first thing you're going to do is draw on the very bottom of your paper right here on the back. You're going to draw this. Looks like a little kind of tree branch. Okay, so you're going to draw a line sideways like this, and you're going to write these words. Among the remarkable achievements of the Maya were, so one line like this, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 little twigs off of this branch. The first one's going to be trade. The second line, you're going to write a number system. Third, you're going to write calendars and copy this. And then the fourth one, we're going to say is the most remarkable, building cities. So copy that down now on the bottom of the back of your paper right here. Pause the video if you need to. So I'm going to help you with these first couple paragraphs, then I'm just going to give clues for the next paragraphs towards the end, and you need to do those to get the full credit for the quiz for today. So whenever you need to pause or go back or fast forward, then do that as you need to so that you can get a good completion score on this quiz. So we need to think of a grabber. A grabber is an attention getter to get the reader's interest. So you're going to copy this one, or you can make up your own. So you're going to copy down the magnificent Maya. Do that now. So the background information, we need to go back to our article from earlier so you can get the background information. It's a place, time, setting. So if you looked at your article, it tells you right here their classic period was from 250 to 900 CE. And then the place, remember that Mesoamerica includes Central America, parts of southern Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, Honduras. So you are going to copy that into your background information section. Here's the background information down. You can copy this down now, 250 CE to 900 CE. Mesoamerica homeland is southern Mexico, Belize, Guatemala, and Honduras. Start really writing in sentences. This is a fill-in-the-blank type of guided essay. That's why some of these sentences aren't a complete sentence like when you write in a regular essay. So copy those down now. Next, you need to state the question with some key terms and then make a thesis and roadmap. So on your sheet, it's going to look like this. You've made your grabber, you put some background information. Now you're going to restate the question, and then using that little branch with the twigs that you drew, you're going to fill in this area here. So to do that, your restatement of the question is going to be, what was the Maya's most remarkable achievement? And then you need to put your criteria. You need to put what you're judging it on. And you're judging it on scale, genius, effort, and significance. So you need to copy these words down too. So pause it whenever you need to so you can stop and copy it down. After that, you need to fill this in using the little branch twig diagram that you made. And I'll show you what to use. You can copy this down in this section. It's not going to fit exactly. Sorry. It's not going to fit exactly, but you're going to write it in these spaces here. Okay, so what you're going to have is your thesis and roadmap. You're going to put the Maya had at least 4 noteworthy or important achievements. Trade network, building cities, number sister, and calendar. Of these, building cities was the most remarkable. So pause the video and copy that now. So like I said, it doesn't fit exactly in here. So you're going to have to add an extra sentence here and fill in some extra spaces to make it all fit in there correctly. Alright, once you're done with that, I'm going to help you with this body paragraph, and then you're going to continue. I'll give you some clues, but I'm not going to tell you exactly what to write. Okay, so achievements 1, 2, and 3, you're just going to copy exactly what you had up here. So the things 1, 2, and 3, why they're good examples of a remarkable achievement, a little evidence, and then explain how it makes it important and the criteria. So what you're going to copy next is your 3 contenders for Marketplace are trade network, numbers, and calendar. So copy that into that first spot now. So that would go here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, whatever you put in 1, you're going to put here. Whatever you put in 2, you're going to put here. And whatever you're going to put in 3, you're going to put here. So do that now. Copy that as you made your list. Right here, 1, 2, and 3 are going to go here. 1, 2, and then 3. So copy those in there now. Okay, so we said 1 was trade, we said 2 was number system, and we said 3 were the calendars. So here's where you're going to put the evidence for each one, because it has reason and then it says evidence. So here's your evidence underneath each of the reasons. So reason 1 for trade, you're going to copy this. You're going to copy trade, reach, number and kinds of trade items, and means of transporting. And then you need to put your parentheses, document A, because that's the document that we got that from. So that's what you are going to copy. Into this section right here for evidence 2. For evidence 1, it would go right here. So you put trade network, and then you'd put the reasons that I just showed you right here for trade. Right, after you trade, reason 2 is number system. So you're going to copy this under reason number 2. Base 20 system, dots, bars, and shells, the 0. Then you need to write document C. Pause the video if you need to copy it down now. And that goes in this section right here. So here's evidence 2, their number system. Here's the explanation. And then the last one I'm going to help you with is the calendars. So this is your reason 3. The ritual day, 260 days, solar, 365 day, and long counting. Sorry. And that's going to be from document D. So your argument connecting the evidence is going to be trade, their skill and effort, number system, their genius using the 0, and calendars, genius using astronomy and their sense of time. So that would go under each explanation why it's remarkable. So remember, explanation 1 is about trade. Explanation 2 is about number system. And then explanation 3 is about the calendar. Alright, this last one I'm not going to help you with. I will give you a clue though to where you can find the information. So you can find the information on document B. Document B is going to tell you about their buildings. So you're going to talk about their remarkable buildings. Again, remarkable buildings. Use document B, find some details of evidence, and explain why it's remarkable. Are you using genius? Are you using significance? What judging criteria or scale are you using to say that it's the most remarkable? So the only thing you have to do now is just fill in the blanks. What were your first 3 reasons when we say trade, math system, and calendar? And then the most remarkable was going to be their building systems or their architecture. And then you're done. Go back and pause, rewind, fast forward, so you can go back and finish where you needed help. And you're done.